Evergreen, Candid. New trends in social science for class 7.
Landforms of the Earth. Creation of landforms. The cycle of weathering, erosion, deposition, and transportation creates different landforms on the surface of the Earth. The upper course. The upper course refers to the path of the river as it flows down the mountains. At this stage the river is young, narrow, steep, and full of energy. The main work of the river in the upper course are erosion and transportation. It helps form the following features. Eye-shaped valleys. River valleys which are narrow and have steep walls are known as eye-shaped valleys. Gorge. A gorge is a deep-sided narrow valley formed when the river water erodes the riverbed. The Indus and the Satluj have a number of gorges as they cross the Himalayas. Canyon. A canyon is a wider valley with steep walls and flat bottom. The Grand Canyon, located in Arizona, USA, is the deepest canyon in the world. It is carved out by the river. V-shaped valleys. V-shaped valleys are formed by fast-moving rivers. As the rivers flow down the hill, the water has high energy to cut through rocks and cause erosion.
Lesson 3. Kingdoms of the South, AD 700 to AD 1200. Cholas, AD 846 to 1267. Rajendra Chola, AD 1016 to AD 1044. Chola power was at its peak during the rule of Rajendra Chola, the son of Raja Chola. He came to be known as Ganga Konda Chola, meaning the one who has conquered the Ganga, after his army marched north to defeat the Palas of Bengal. And
Role of state governments in health. The biggest asset of a country is its people, and these people can contribute to the success of the nation only if they are healthy. Thus, the most important thing for a country is to look after the health of its people. Negative factors in the field of healthcare in India. 1. Indian doctors want to settle in urban cities rather than serving in rural areas. 2. Rural-urban imbalance. Shortage of hospitals, non-availability of healthcare staff like doctors and nurses, and